Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be talking about a plant that we Indians take for granted and is treasured by many colder western countries, the banana. And what better plant to start this festive season of Deepavali? Urbanscape Bangalore wishes its viewers a very happy Deepavali. So did you know calling the banana a tree is wrong because it is a herb? Do you see these leaf sheets that form a soft stem-like structure? These are characteristic of a herb. And a tree like this mango will have this hard trunk wherein the toughness is given by the woody tissues present in them. So in this episode, we will be talking about the care tips of this plant and also will touch upon the pruning bit of it. So growing bananas in pots is easier than most of you think it is. The only drawback being you will not get any fruits out of it, but you can enjoy the green, vibrant and humongous foliage that no other plant can give. So if you're a fruit junkie, then please skip the video since the focus of my video will be on the dramatic foliage this plant is so famous for in many gardens across the world. The banana is a tropical plant which is native to Southeast Asia and has been naturalized in other tropical countries. It is said that Alexander the Great encountered the banana during his expedition to India. The banana is grown from rhizomes, which are underground stems, and it grows suckers, which are baby plants. It can produce a lot of suckers when grown in the ground, so pruning off weaker suckers and allowing the stronger ones to grow is ideally what banana fruit growers do to get robust fruiting. So what are the conditions the banana likes? Sunlight. It loves full sunlight. Any amount of shade is not desirable. Watering. This is a water-intensive crop, so be ready to water this plant extensively, but when in container, a little bit of drying must be allowed to not attract a lot of pests. Fertilizing must be done every month, so what I do is that I just add a lot of veggie matter into it, and you can see here the soil is so black and rich without any chemical addition, and I'm sure this is an earthworm haven. The common pests that can attack the plant are these annoying white flies which find refuge under these huge leaves. I generally use the neem oil pesticide, but it isn't really effective if you apply it once in a while. Continued application is the key to reduce these pests. Organic pesticides will not completely eliminate these pests but will help avoid its proliferation. The leaves can droop like this because of these pests due to stress. The more windy a place is, the more will the leaves tear up. This will definitely not do well near the beach or any sea-facing area since the salt-laden conditions can be bad for this plant. In colder countries, overwintering is essential because this will die out in the cold and snow can kill the plant immediately. Now let us talk about pruning. So as you can see, these are the suckers. If the same plant was in the ground, then it would have produced more suckers. So 3 plants per rhizome is the ideal number to get better fruits. Since this is in a pot, I just have these 2 plants, one that is old and almost drying, and the other which looks really vibrant and is raring to grow bigger and better. For that to happen, I need to prune this plant. Since this is a big plant, using a sharp knife would be better. And cut it layer by layer like this until you reach the base and remove as much as the plant you can to avoid any kind of pest attacks or diseases. Don't use the removed plant as mulch, discard it. Now, this would give all the nutrients to the new plant and it will grow really well. You can additionally add some compost to mollycoddle the plant that just went through some pruning stress. Now, pruning the leaves is another ballgame altogether. See, we have a tendency to remove the older leaves like this, but this is doing more harm than good because these scales give strength to the trunk. The more you remove the leaves like this, the more susceptible the plant would be to breaking. So to maintain the girth strength, cut only the leaves till the point where it touches the trunk. So folks, you can follow some of these steps to give that much needed vigor, vitality and vibrance the banana is famous for. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. If you liked this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very festive goodbye.